solve dy by dx plus 2y by x is equal to 1 by x square. Solution, we can write this given equation dy by dx plus 2 by x into y is equal to 1 by x square. Now comparing with standard equation, that is equal to dy by dx plus p into y is equal to q. This is the standard linear equation. If we compare these two, dy by dx plus p into y, here 2 by x into y coefficient p, here y coefficient 2 by x, so p is equal to 2 by x. Next, RHS value is q, here RHS value is 1 by x square, so q is equal to 1 by x square. Now find integrating factor, it is simply denoted EF is equal to, formula is integral of p dx. Integrating formula is integral of p dx, it may be carry 2 marks also. That is equal to integral, e to the power IF is equal to e to the power of integral of p value is 2 by x, so it is 2 by x dx, that is equal to e to the power of integral, see here 2 is constant, take it outside, 1 by x dx, that is equal to e to the power of 2 into integral of 1 by x dx value is log x. We know that integral of 1 by x dx is equal to log x plus c. So here if we observe 2 log x, this is m log a is equal to log a to the power of m. If we apply here, this will be e to the power of log x square, that is equal to x square, since e to the power of log of f of x is equal to only f of x, so therefore integrating factor is equal to x square. Here IF means integrating factor. Now general solution, that is solution formula is y into integrating factor, which is equal to q, integral of q into integrating factor into dx. This is the solution formula. Now substitute IF value, q value in the formula. Q value is 1 by x square, IF value is x square. If we substitute here, that is equal to y into IF, that is x square, is equal to integral of q. Q value is 1 by x square, it is 1 by x square into IF. IF value is, again it is x square, so it is x square dx. See, if we observe here, numerator x square, denominator x square, denominator numerator gets cancelled, that is equal to y into x square, which is equal to integral of 1 dx. We all of you know that integral of 1 dx is equal to x plus c, so that is equal to y into x square, which is equal to x plus c. See, this is the required equation, so this is the required solution of the given question. The same way you have to solve dy by dx plus y by x, which is equal to 1 by x cube. This is the work.